In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability hours in Calendly. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account in your web browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Calendly keeps most of the tools you'll use to manage your scheduling. In that left side menu, look for the option labeled Availability. It might be grouped together with other scheduling or event type options, so take a moment to scan through the items there. When you find Availability, go ahead and click on it. This is the key section where you control when people are allowed to book time with you. After you click on Availability, Calendly will open a page showing your current schedule settings. Here, you'll typically see a weekly view of your working days and the time ranges when you're available for meetings. If you're new to Calendly, these might be default hours, like a standard 9 to 5, or they might be blank if you haven't set anything up yet. This availability area is important because it acts as the foundation for all your event types. Instead of adjusting times individually for every meeting link you create, you can define your general working hours here, and Calendly will use those as a base. That means fewer conflicts, fewer back and forth emails, and a much smoother booking experience for both you and your invitees. Take a moment to review what's currently shown. Even though we're focusing on clicking availability in this tutorial, it's helpful to understand that from this page you'll later be able to adjust which days you work, set specific time ranges, and even create different schedules for different situations, like weekdays versus weekends or specific time zones. If you're managing multiple calendars, such as work and personal, this availability section will also work together with your calendar connections. Calendly will look at your availability hours and then cross-check them with your connected calendars to avoid double booking. So coming back to this availability page whenever your schedule changes is a good habit. Once you've clicked on Availability on the left side and the page is loaded, you're in the right place to begin fine-tuning your schedule and making sure your booking links